Unlock incredible savings and rewards every time you fill up your tank with ExxonMobil. Welcome to our quick guide on how to make the most of your ExxonMobil rewards at the pump first. You'll want to make sure you have the ExxonMobil Rewards app downloaded and your account set up if you haven't already. This is your golden ticket to earning points and exclusive discounts on your fuel purchases. Once your account is ready, the next crucial step is linking your payment method. Open your ExxonMobil Rewards app and navigate to the payment or wallet section here. You can securely add your preferred credit or debit card, or even digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. This simple step is key to automatically earning points for every gallon you purchase. Now, let's head to the pump at participating Exxon and Mobil stations. You have a few easy ways to apply your rewards. The most seamless method is through the app itself before you start fueling. Open your ExxonMobil Rewards app and select at the pump, or an equivalent option. The app will usually prompt you to confirm your location and payment method. Some stations may require you to scan a QR code shown on the pump screen using your app, or simply select your linked payment method within the app before you start pumping. Follow the on-screen prompts in the app. A circumflex euros. It's designed to be super straightforward. Alternatively, if you prefer not to use the app at the pump, you can often input your ExxonMobil Rewards account information directly at the fuel dispenser. Look for an option that says Rewards or Loyalty Program on the pump's touchscreen. You might be asked to enter your phone number associated with the account or scan a loyalty card if you have one. As you fuel up, you'll see your points accumulating directly in your ExxonMobil Rewards account. These points can then be redeemed for fuel discounts, convenience store items, or other exclusive offers. Just check your app periodically to see your current point balance and the available redemption options. By integrating your ExxonMobil Rewards account into your routine refueling process, you're not just buying gas, you're actively earning towards future savings. It's a fantastic way to get more value from your everyday purchases at the pump. Start maximizing your benefits today and make every trip to the pump more rewarding with ExxonMobil Rewards.